saucepan, I would recommend a non-stick one, but you can use any one that you're comfortable with. Go ahead and set your stove to medium heat. You're going to add 2 cups of any milk of your choice. If you want to cream your oatmeal, I would recommend using a full-fat milk. You're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of coconut sugar, or any sugar of your choice, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, or any liquid sweetener of your choice, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon powder. Then you're going to go ahead and do 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I did a little bit less than that. Once all your ingredients are in the pot, you're going to go ahead and give them a stir and go ahead and taste your mixture to make sure it's up to your taste. If you like it a little sweeter, you can add more of the liquid sugar or you can add more of the coconut sugar. It's really up to you. If you're not looking to make a maple inspired oatmeal, you can leave the maple out and just keep the coconut sugar. Once you're comfortable with how it tastes, you can go ahead and bring this to a boil. Once you start to see your mixture boiling, you're going to go ahead and put your stove to simmer, and then you're going to go ahead and add 1 cup of rolled oats. Go ahead and stir in your oats, and you're going to go ahead and cook this for about 5 minutes to let the oats soak in all the milk. Make sure you stir frequently. If you'd like to cover it, you can, but I like to keep mine open so that I can watch the consistency, and it really doesn't take that long. Within 3 minutes, you'll start to see your oatmeal get that classic oatmeal look. If you don't like the consistency of this oatmeal, you can always add more milk to the recipe. I would add a half a cup extra. And voila, homemade maple oatmeal. So now comes the fun part where you can decorate your oatmeal. If you want to put fresh fruits, you can. I personally wanted to try it with some chocolate chips since I never had before, so I went ahead and put in some vegan semi-sweet chocolate chips. I would always recommend adding your toppings after you're done cooking the oatmeal. You don't want your toppings to start cooking with the oatmeal. If you want to go ahead and add nuts as well, that's something that I would also wait till the end so that your nuts can stay nice and crunchy. I hope that if you try this recipe, you like it, and please let me know if you do try it, how did you enjoy it, and what sort of toppings did you add? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Happy cooking!